Today, I will show you how to crochet a flat circle using treble crochet. Yes, you can do exactly that with treble crochet. I already have a video for single crochet, half double crochet, and all the other things. And today we're going to do treble crochet. You're going to have a straight seam and you're going to have a flat circle, and you can use this for hats, for baskets, for whatever you like. But let's just get started, shall we? So first you're going to start simply with a magic ring or a chain of 4, and then start putting it all into the first chain, and then adding 18 or maybe less or more treble crochets into that circle. So what does that mean? That means everyone has a different yarn, a different hook, a different tension. So there's 3 factors that are involved when it comes to creating a flat circle. So again, the yarn you're using, the hook you're using, and the tension that you have. So for me, 18 treble crochets work to make it flat. It might be for you 16, it might be for you 19. So figure it out, simply test it out and see what makes it flat for you, or whether it makes it wobbly or bow-like. If it's bow-like, obviously you have not enough. And if it's wobbly, wavy looking, then you have too many. You want it flat. So test it out and see what works for you. Once you figured out your number, you get to then do increases. So you're going to slip stitch. You don't have to, but in this case, I'm going to slip stitch here to the first stitch to finish up my round. And now we're going to do the increases. Remember that the very first round, the count of the treble crochet number is the most important. So got to figure that out first. Okay. So then I'm going to do a stacked single crochet. So that is like an alternative turning chain. And I'm going to do 3 of them on top of each other. That's 3 single crochets on top of each other. Now, you can just do a chain of 3 or 4, depending on whether you're going to count that stitch as a stitch or whether just going to leave it as a chain. I'm doing this. If you don't know what this is, it's the alternative turning chain. I have a link down below in the description that shows you a little bit more detail on how to do that and why I do it. So the second round of treble crochets is 2 treble crochets per stitch. So I already did the alternative turning chain, which I count as a stitch, and then do another treble crochet next to it, and all the other ones will have 2 treble crochets in per stitch. Once you finish that round, you're going to slip stitch per usual. Now you don't have to, but I'm going to. And then the next round, we're going to do 1 treble crochet and then 2 treble crochets, and we'll do that all the way around. So let's do that. So the first one, I'm going to do the alternative turning chain. Again, that is 3 single crochets stacked on top of each other, which is the same height as a treble crochet, and it counts as a treble crochet. The next stitch is going to be a 2 treble crochets together as the increase. And then again, the following will be just 1 treble crochet, and the next one will be 2 treble crochets. You're going to do that all the way around. Once you've finished, again, you're going to close it up with a slip stitch if you wish to do so. And then in the following round, you would then place 1 treble crochet in 1 stitch, another treble crochet in another stitch, and then 2 treble crochets in the following stitch. And you're doing that all the way around. You can see that the repeat is very similar. You're just adding every time 1 treble crochet to it. If you would like to have the written tutorial for this pattern, go check the link down below in the description. I have it all there, and how to do for single crochets, half double crochets, and double crochets. So go check that out down below in the description. Plus, I have over 300 crochet tips and tricks for you that I don't want you to miss out on. So go check that out as well. There's a mini course that is there for you. Please like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to turn on the little bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye!